Now, Nokia again kind of taking it easy in the last few months and not having too many releases and no huge big releases. Now they've got the Nokia 5.4 in the 5 series, the 4th iteration. Now, the interesting thing in this is that it's a big screen. It's got a fantastic amount of stuff in terms of what they've done with the screen, movie watching, video, and all of that is a very, very big deal. Battery life a little low, 4000 mAh, but everything else really seems to be quite good. Very well built. Nokia, as always, does a great job with how the phone feels in your hand. Tank solid, a nice overall structure at the back in terms of what they've done with it. A nice circle where the inset of the cameras and everything else is. So overall it's great, but then once again the 2 or 3 things pop out that I always have as questions. Are they pricing it right? Does it have enough at that price point in that category to actually come up with the competition and sometimes beat them with a particular feature? That and a whole lot more will be answered in our review.
Nokia used to be the brand that was synonymous with phones. We flocked to the stores to get our hands on Nokia devices. But with the emergence of smartphones, Nokia started fading. The brand, which is now on a comeback trail, has released a lot of great smartphones. For the price of 13,999 rupees, you get the newly launched Nokia 5.4. Is it enough to make you switch? Let's find out. Nokia has done quite a lot here with the 5.4. You get a big 6.39-inch HD Plus screen that has one of the best color reproductions you will see on smartphones in this price range. The only drawback with this screen is that it is not full HD, but that is a compromise that you can afford to make. Under the hood is where Nokia has done well. This phone runs on a Snapdragon 662 processor, and with 4 GB of RAM, you will never complain about performance issues. Everyday tasks, web browsing, or even gaming, the Nokia 5.4 breezed through it all. The good performance is also owed to the stock Android version. This phone has Android 10 out of the box, and it's an Android One device, which means that you get the cleanest Android version presented by Google. Speaking of Google, there is also a dedicated Google Assistant button on the side of the phone. We really like this touch by Nokia to make the virtual assistant even more accessible. However, all this performance is being held back by the battery. While the Nokia 5.4 comes with a 4000 mAh battery, we were not too satisfied with the battery life, and there is only 10-watt fast charging on board here. Focusing on the cameras, the Nokia 5.4 has 4 of them. A 48MP main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide, and a couple of 2MP sensors for depth and macro. We were satisfied with the picture quality on the main sensor, but the ultra-wide shots were a miss here. We were also pleasantly surprised with the macro lens, as close-up shots looked really good on this phone. The main camera magic here is with the video mode. Nokia has bundled in a cinema mode which lets you fiddle around with multiple settings and get the best video possible on this device.
It comes with a 48 megapixel quad cam with cinema effects and also spatial audio to capture your world beautifully in motion. It has advanced color grading features, with which with 24 FPS, which is how you record movies, and so therefore when you are looking at your videos, you get the same effect that you get when you are in cinema and when you are watching movies. So it's a perfect device for influencers, for bloggers, for content creators, for designers, for DJs. So that's how this phone has been designed.
Flipping the phone to front, there is a 16MP selfie camera that clicks some decent shots. While the Nokia 5.4 aced the performance and software tests, it failed in the hardware department. It does feel good in the hand and weighs about 181 grams, but the phone is a big fingerprint magnet. The glossy back can be slippery at times, and it is not the most well-built phone. Even the fingerprint sensor on the rear is not very snappy. It takes a while for the phone to unlock once you scan your fingerprint. Despite all the issues, the Nokia 5.4 is still a good smartphone. If you want a clean Android version and a good software experience but don't mind the hardware issues, at 13,999 rupees, the Nokia 5.4 is the phone for you.